Leo the inquisitive truck, curious and upbeat. In his truck bed he brings many colored parts. Leo the inquisitive truck, he has come again to help us. With his help, now we can build a brand new car. Leo, Leo, Leo the truck. Leo the truck. Leo the truck is driving along the road. What's he going to build today? We'll see. Leo, do you need something from the sandbox?
Oh.
Bucket and shovel. Let's go. Unload the parts here. Oh, these are parts of a fire engine. Let's build it. Cabin and chassis. Now doors. And a water tank. Compartment for tools. Let's put the bucket and the shovel there. Do you know that sometimes firemen put out fire with sand?
Oh.
Attach wings. Wheels. Bumper. And headlights. And here is a rotating mechanism for the ladder. But where is the ladder? Robots, did you take the ladder from the fire engine? What is it? Flashing beacons. We need them too. Leo, these beacons look like small horns on you. Oh, where are you? Here you are. And now, let's find the ladder. Where can it be? Have you noticed it already? No? Look carefully. It's behind the sandbox. Let's put the ladder on the fire engine. Done. And now the beacons. The fire engine is ready. Now let's fill the tank with water. Look, it's watering flowers. Robots, do you also need water? The fire engine fills the pool with water. Now ducks can swim. The fire engine is so useful. Look! Leo, Lifty, and Scoop are hiding behind some rectangles. They are going to watch some new cartoons. And you? Choose quickly. Click on the rectangles. Quickly, before they disappear.